ASVAB Electronics Exam Questions. A. What is the power that gives rise to the production of energy at a rate of A. 1 joule per minute, B. 1 volt per second, C. 1 amp per second, D. 1 joules per second? D. Electricity is defined as the flow of along A electrons, resistor, B electrons, conductor, C positrons, conductor, D neutrons, pathway. B. What is the total resistance in the circuit if all resistors are 300 ohms? A. 900 watts, B. 1200 ohms, C. 900 ohms, D. 600 ohms. C. A capacitor of 100 microfarads has a capacity of A. 100 picofarads, B. 10 picofarads, C. 100 million picofarads, D. 10,000 picofarads. C. A 12-volt battery contains how many cells? A. 1, B. 6, C. 8, D. 9. C. A signal's frequency is inversely proportional to its A. amplitude, B. phase, C. period, D. oscillation. C. The property of a circuit that opposes the flow of electrons is A. reactance, B. capacitance, C. resistance, D. inductance. C. An ampere, or amp for short, is defined as A. an electrical flow of 100 volts per second, B. an electrical flow of 1 coulomb per second, C. the strength of a magnetic field through a capacitor, D. a measurement of the ion flow from a power source. B. A junction diode is used for A. rectifying powerline frequencies and lower currents, B. rectifying powerline frequencies and higher currents, C. rectifying higher frequencies at lower currents, D. rectifying higher frequencies at higher currents. B. The parallel circuit with resistors of 10 ohms, and 5 ohms has a total resistance of A. 10 ohms, B. 5 ohms, C. 25 ohms, D. 2.5 ohms. D. The best reason to use a filter in a power supply is to A. convert alternating current to direct current, B. change direct current to alternating current, C. even out voltage variations, D. smooth out power surges. C. Capacitors connected in series obtain a resulting value, A. greater than the sum of the individual capacitor values, B. equal to the sum of the individual capacitor values, C. less than that of the smallest capacitance, D. produces neutral change in capacitance values. C. A 120-volt circuit has resistance 6 ohms. How much current is present in the circuit? A. 0.2 amperes, B. 20 amperes, C. 40 amperes, D. 720 amperes. B. Conventional current flow is from A. plus to plus, B. to plus, C. plus to D. to. C. Resistance in a circuit is changed from 50 ohms to 25 ohms. If the voltage in the circuit remains the same, what will happen to the current? A. The current will stay the same, B. The current will double, C. The current will decrease by half, D. Not enough information to tell. B. The Greek letter phi is used to A. indicate ohms, B. indicate volts, C. indicate angles or phases, D. indicate dielectric flux. C. An oscillator is A. A device that measures the waves of varying electrical signals. B. An electronic circuit that produces a regularly varying electrical signal from a direct current. C. A device that performs mathematical operations using an analog signal. D. A device that keeps output voltage from oscillating beyond a desired level. B. The instrument used to measure electrical resistance is called A. An ohmmeter, B. An ammeter, C. A voltmeter, D. A wattmeter. A. A resistor marked 2K has a value of A. 1.5 ohms, B. 200 ohms, C. 2000 ohms, D. 2000 watts. C. When the secondary side of a transformer has more turns than the primary side, the output voltage will be ____ the input voltage. A. Lower than, B. Higher than, C. The same as, D. The square root of. B. Inductive resistance is found by using the formula A. X sub L equals 2 pi Fc B. X sub L equals 2 pi FL C. X sub L equals R D. X sub L equals Z. B. What is an amplifier? A. A device that makes audio signals reach farther. B. A device that makes sounds louder by increasing signal strength. C. A device that has extra capacitors to increase amperage. D. A device that increases sound fidelity by decreasing resistance. B. Current that changes polarity many times per second is called A. Direct current, B. Reciprocating current, C. Alternating current, D. AC/DC current. C. A conductor is any material that A. Has many free electrons, B. Has no free electrons, C. Has free ions, D. Has free protons. A. The symbol for inductance is A. X sub L B I C L D X sub C. C. Another name for a transistor is A. Integrated circuit, B. Semiconductor, C. Transfer resistor, D. Pettigrew connector. C. A carbon resistor marked with colored bands of left to right, red, brown, orange, and gold is what value intolerance? A. 2100 ohms plus or minus 5%, B. 21,000 ohms plus or minus 5%, C. 21 ohms plus or minus 5%, D. 210 ohms plus or minus 5%. B.